Namaste, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this very special event wherein we have this mega launch with 29 authors. Perhaps one of the biggest event which we are celebrating and doing it, that too on a very special day. It's Krishna Janmashtami today. So first of all, happy Krishna Janmashtami to all of you, and thank you so much for joining here. And it's a proud and privilege for me to introduce all the different authors, and everybody has written their own journey, their own knowledge. They have tried to share their views, their knowledge, their ideas in different formats, right? So ladies and gentlemen, let us start our today's program. And first of all, I would like to invite Miss Anuradha Vashisht. She is from Chandigarh. She is NLP master practitioner, and she is a psychologist. She does a lot of counseling to the students and kids, and she has written a wonderful book on parenting. So Anuradha ji, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, I would like to pay my deepest gratitude to you, Dr. Vineet Gera, for giving my thoughts wings to soar high in the sky. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So in my book, The Decisive Battles of a Happy Home, you will get answers of common questions often asked by parents nowadays. This book gives you insight to tackle day-to-day problems of kids by giving different examples. I stress to imbibe spirituality in child from very beginning. And as everyone wants to make one's child a doctor and engineer, but we are not focusing to make them good human beings. So I stressed on that also. My book is not to be read, but to apply. I hope this book will be a great puzzle solver. And I experienced that parenting is a big puzzle of life. So go ahead and show the love. Let's help the needy students, because my book is the major part of the skill of my book is to help the needy students. So this is of the book. Thank you so much, sir, for being there at every moment. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much, Anuradha ji. And one more good thing which I would like to highlight here is she has decided that whatever earning will come from this book, it will go to help these students. So thank you
Yes.
so much, ma'am. And I really appreciate the people, those who always, serve for the bigger purposes of life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Superb. So, ladies and gentlemen, आगे बढ़ते हैं, and we have another wonderful person with us, Arunesh Rawat ji. Arunesh ji is a life coach, and he had been coaching a lot of college students, school going students. लखनऊ से हैं और बहुत अच्छे ट्रेनर, बहुत अच्छे वक्ता हैं. अरुणेश जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vinny ji. First of all, I would like to thank you a lot, क्योंकि ये एक रोशनी दिखाने वाला काम आपने जो करा है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही सराहनीय है. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आज आपने इस तरीके से हम लोग को, सारे ट्रेनर्स को, सारे राइटर्स को, ऑथर्स को एक जगह पे आप लेके आए हैं. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड वंडरफुल. गोइंग विद द बुक, आज के टाइम पे, टुडे दिस कोविड टाइम, द कोविड सिचुएशन इज गोइंग ऑन, वेयर इन पीपल आर एट द रिस्क ऑफ लूजिंग द जॉब्स. Many of the people have already lost their jobs. Freshers are actually facing problems and issues in getting the jobs. College ke placements are completely going down. Market is moving down. But there is a good news even. Google is investing 10 billion US dollar in India, wherein Facebook is going to invest 5.7 billion USD, that is in Geo, again in India. Microsoft, that is going to start a campus in Noida with 4,000 employees. यहाँ तक कि Uber is going to shift the entire engineering base to India. पूरी तरीके से global hub होने वाला है India in coming future. बहुत ही near time में it is going. But again, the competition is going to be really very high. People are not getting the jobs. People have already lost their jobs. So this is the right time to pull up your socks. Get ready with this particular book, which is known as A Walk Through Your Interview to Day One in Office. इसके टाइटल में ही मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इस किताब के लिए ये कहता है कि इंटरव्यू के लिए आप जाएंगे और डे वन इन ऑफिस आपका होगा. So it is very important for you if you're preparing, if you're looking forward for a job search, definitely you should go ahead with this particular book. Thank you so much.
जी, बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको अरुणेश जी, और बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि एक एम्प्लॉय को हायर करता है एंड दे स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ मनी, टाइम, रिसोर्सेज इन देयर ट्रेनिंग, एंड बाय द टाइम दे बिकम प्रोडक्टिव दे लीव। सो इफ दे हैव सच काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग कि जहाँ से डे वन से यू आर showing your productivity to your employer, there are good chances for the growth. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
अगली शख्सियत जिनसे मैं आपका तारुफ कराने जा रहा हूँ, राजस्थान से हैं, कोटा से हैं, और वहाँ की साइकिलिंग एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, और जूनियर चैम्बर कॉमर्स में भी बहुत एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन रखते हैं। हिंदी नॉवल इन्होंने लिखा है और बहुत ही खूबसूरती से लॉकडाउन 5.0 को इन्होंने रखा है। धीरज जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका।
हेलो सर, गुड इवनिंग, गुड टू सी यू आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम।
जी धीरज जी,
लॉन्ग टाइम इसलिए बोलूंगा कि आप जैसे पर्सन से लगा अगर कोई 15 दिन बात ना करे तो ये लॉन्ग टाइम ही है। और सबसे पहले तो सभी जितने भी ऑथर्स हैं जो फर्स्ट टाइम मेगा लॉन्च में हैं, उन सबको मेरी ओर से बहुत बहुत बधाई। और इनफैक्ट अभी तो मैं मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे नहीं, घर में एक शादी हुई होती है और उसके कुछ दिनों बाद फिर थोड़ी एक और शादी हो जाती है, तो जैसे पुरानी बहू को फीलिंग आती है मुझे वो वाली फीलिंग आ रही है। तो ऑलरेडी हम लोग काफ़ी कुछ इस पूरी जर्नी को काफ़ी कुछ देख चुके हैं, और मैं यही कहूँगा कि कोविड टाइम में जहाँ सारी तरफ निराशाएं थी, वहाँ पे गेरा जी जैसे लोगों ने कई लोगों के जीवन में आशाएं बिखेर रखी है। इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत साधुवाद देता हूँ। मेरे दोनों हाथ जो है मोबाइल को पकड़ने में लगे हुए हैं, वरना मैं हाथ जोड़ के इनको साधुवाद करता।
थैंक यू सर।
और दूसरा, जितने भी यहाँ पे ऑथर्स हैं, मैं सबसे यही कहूँगा कि इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ जर्नी। ऑथरशिप मुझे भी पहले लगा था कि जैसे मैं जिस दिन ऑथर बन जाऊंगा, मेरी बुक रिलीज हो जाएगी, तुरंत सब लोग झपट पड़ेंगे बुक्स पे। ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है। ऐसा इनफैक्ट अगर आपके साथ भी ना हो तो आप बिल्कुल भी घबराइएगा मत, बिकॉज इट्स ए लॉन्ग प्रोसेस। किसी भी चीज़ में, किसी भी फील्ड में अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश करना इतना आसान नहीं होता है, लेकिन यदि कंसिस्टेंटली रखा जाए, कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ में जो कुछ हमने गेरा जी के साथ में मिलके सीखा है और जो कुछ आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करके सीखा है, उसको कंटिन्यूटी बनाए रखें और कंटिन्यू साथ में अपना काम प्रयास करते रहिए। जैसे कि मेरी लॉकडाउन 5.0 आप देख सकते हैं। ये बुक मैंने 4 जुलाई को रिलीज की थी, और तब से अब तक ये है कि बस अमेज़न पे कुछ हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन कुछ चलता रहता है। तो वो छोटी छोटी खुशी, थोड़ी थोड़ी पिगी बैंक की तरह से कुछ खुशी आती रहती है, ये लगता रहता है। और मुझे सबसे ज्यादा खुशी बताओ तब हुई थी जब इस किताब को किसी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति ने खरीदा था जिससे मेरा दूर दूर तक कोई ताल्लुक नहीं था। तो आप समझिए कि हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं ये अपने आप में एक अनूठा है। जितने भी लोगों ने पढ़ी, मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि मैं शायद बहुत लोगों तक पहुंच नहीं पाया, लेकिन जितने लोगों तक पहुंच पाया उन सब ने पढ़ने के बाद में एक ही चीज बोली कि बुक आपने बहुत अच्छी लिखी है। और जब जब उन्होंने ऐसा बोला तब तब मैंने गेरा जी को धन्यवाद दिया मनी मन में। गेरा जी तक जरूर हिचकियां आई होगी इस बात के लिए। और बहुत जल्दी मैं इसका इंग्लिश वर्जन भी जो है वो लॉन्च करने वाला हूँ गेरा सर के अंडर गाइडेंस में। बहुत जल्दी किंडल पे भी आपको ये देखने को मिलेगी। तो मैं आप सबसे भी, आप सबकी बुक के लिए भी आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करता हूँ। लॉकडाउन 5.0 के बारे में बस इतना सा कहूंगा कि ये एक बुक है लॉकडाउन में जो कुछ भी हुआ, अब जो हो रहा है वो नहीं, लेकिन जो इनिशियल पीरियड में हुआ 2-2.5 महीने में, इनिशियली भी जून तक जो हुआ, वो सारा का इसमें एक कहानी के माध्यम से मैंने संकलन किया है। और वो कहानी इसलिए लिखी ताकि लोगों को इंटरेस्ट आए। आज के 10 साल बाद भी जब कोई पढ़े कि लॉकडाउन में क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, कैसे फैमिलीज ने प्रेशर झेला था, क्या क्या चीजें घटित हुई थी, वो सारी रिकॉल, अगर मेमोरीज रिकॉल करनी हो तो डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि देखिए अच्छी मेमोरीज तो हर कोई रिकॉल करना चाहता है, लेकिन जो बैड मेमोरीज हैं वो भी हमें बहुत कुछ लर्न करवा के जाती है। इस लॉकडाउन ने भी हम सबको बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, और यही चीज जो है वो मैंने अपनी इस बुक में कंपाइल की है। सो अगर आप लोगों को कभी मौका मिले तो इस बुक को जरूर पढ़िएगा। और फिर से एक बार सभी ऑथर्स को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सो
थैंक यू
मच
सर।
सर। और सौभाग्य हमारा कि आपके साथ जुड़ने का मौका मिला। और जैसा कि आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, इट्स अ जर्नी, और जर्नी को एंजॉय करना चाहिए, दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, राइट। थैंक यू सो मच। अगले जो शख्सियत हैं जिनसे मैं आपका तारुफ कराने जा रहा हूं, वो भी राजस्थान से हैं। बाय प्रोफेशन डॉक्टर हैं, और वैसे ये बहुत अच्छी कविताएं भी लिखते हैं, और बहुत अच्छी किताब भी इन्होंने लिखी है। सो डॉक्टर सुमित तनेजा जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका।
Thank you, sir. Very good evening to all of the others. Writing a book, लॉकडाउन ने एक बड़ा अच्छा समय सबको दिया, उसमें एक बड़ा अच्छा टाइम यूटिलाइज कर पाए और एक बुक को लिख पाए। इट वाज ऑल थ्रू गाइडेंस ऑफ विनीत गेरा सर, कि जो कभी सोचा नहीं था वो पूरा हो गया, या सोचा था और पूरा नहीं कर पा रहे थे वो भी पूरा हो गया। तो राइटिंग हैड बीन अ बिग चैलेंज ऑलवेज, बट विद ग्रेस ऑफ सर's knowledge and everyday guidance, we just completed the book within a span of 21 days. So coming straight to the book, I've written a book with the title The Pain. I'll show you the book. See, the pain is not about the physical pain. It is the psychological stress, the depression, the bad times, the failures the people go through. सब की जिंदगी का पार्ट है। तो sometimes we come out of it, sometimes we get further depressed and break down. So what is the way? How do we come out of it? And how does the pain, the psychological pain, act as a catalyst? How does it give you a push to come out? It is all about that. See, this book is particularly focused for the youth, for today's youth. We have already studied, always we study about the thing that we should be more spiritual, we should be closer to the God, we should meditate daily. लेकिन आज के यूथ को अगर कह दें कि मेडिटेट करें, तो they will say, I am not a sadhu, I'm not a hermit, I'm not going to sit straight, I'm going to grow my beard and sit straight. So that is something beyond their realms. So what is actually the science between the spirituality, behind the spirituality? What is the science? What is the logic? Being a doctor, I have given the true logic. How does meditation take care of your body, your mind, your spirit? What are the changes that comes through inside your body? What will happen to you? And how can you actually relate it logically and scientifically? Because today's era is totally scientific area. Until and unless we don't get the logic, we won't move through. So this book is entirely about the logic behind the spirituality. Thank you, Vinit sir, again for giving this wonderful opportunity to write this book. Do read this book. It is useful for everybody. Thank you very much, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट। और बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने, आज की तारीख में और ख़ास तौर पे जिस दौर से अभी लोग गुजरे हैं पिछले 2-3 महीने में, सो आई एम श्योर बिकॉज आप साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं, डॉक्टर हैं, तो आपने बहुत सारा ये महसूस भी किया होगा कि कितना पेन, कितना दर्द चल रहा है, साइकोलॉजिकल थिंग्स. So thank you so much, sir, for bringing out the guidance in the shape of the book. Thank you so much. So ladies and gentlemen, now moving ahead. अब मैं जिनको दावत देने जा रहा हूँ, उनकी किताब एक ऐसी शख्सियत पे आधारित है जिसके लिए हिंदुस्तान हमेशा उनका ऋणी रहेगा, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, जिन्होंने मुगलों से लोहा लिया और भारत के सिरमौर कह सकते हैं हम उनको. उनके बारे में जिन्होंने किताब लिखी है, डॉक्टर दीपाली पुलेकर. दीपाली जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
All my fellow authors and colleagues, to wonderful people, learned people out here, gratitude to all of you for being a part of this historical moment of my life, because this is the first book. Why have I written this book? The book is written in the uncertain times. The book titled is Transformational Leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, an Age-Based Inspiration. So just removing the cover of the book, this is the book. Yeah. And before I start anything further, gratitude to everyone, including Dr. Gera. I think this is my thesis, my 7 years of hard work, qualitative research that has gone into this. Approximately 77 corporate business interviews, 13 historians in Maratha history who guided me, and 319 participants who actually took part in the survey for completing the study of transformational leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Bhosle. Why this book? This book actually tells you what it means to be a leader in the current times. It's a huge, huge word with a lot of responsibility and welfare. It's innovative, thoughtful, mindful, welfare laden transformational leadership, which will make you understand why Shivaji Maharaj was an exemplary leader of 16th century. Until today, it's his name, his leadership is all etched in the minds of entire world. I think he has laid down the canvas, he's laid down the launch pad to understand people very well. One glue, one word, trust. So skill set, mindset, yes. And then you understand the welfare model of transformation leadership through a very, very wonderful person known as Bas, who has given this model on which the entire leadership is based on. So I would like to thank all of you, wishing you a very, very happy Janmashtami. Again, we have a leader today who is celebrating his birthday, the Butter Pot Festival or the Dahi Handi Festival, as we know. So grab this book if you're an individual, professional, a hero, a shero, an entrepreneur, or an individual who wants to be a leader. I think he has everything laid down for all of us to imbibe and to seek the Shivaji within us. So all the very best to all of us, and to read my book. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dipali ji, and many congratulations to you
Thank you.
for writing this wonderful book. हमारे हिंदुस्तान का गौरव है.
Yes.
और वहां से जो derive करके आपने leadership abilities की बात की है, it's a wonderful thing. Wonderful thing.
I think Gera sahab, we should give a big thank to Dipali madam, because now she is a Indian leader, because generally we read the Western leaders and all. So very nice and very.
Absolutely.
Give a
Congratulations
big clap
to all of us.
Correct.
I think
I
it
really appreciate.
Makes us proud within us to understand that something has gone from the heart. The intent is very clear. So I think that makes us an author's journey complete. Thank you so much, sir.
Great. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dipali ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, अब जिनको मैं बुलाने जा रहा हूँ, he is a magician. Surprised? Yes, he is. Not only magician, he is a NLP practitioner, NLP trainer, and a coach, and whatnot. He can advise you on financial things. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm gonna invite VVM Dilip. Dilip ji, welcome. Mr. Dilip.
Yes, sir. Can hear now?
Yeah, superb.
Thank you. And how many of us in the room or people who are watching live think procrastination is a challenge for you? If not for you, for your kid or siblings, anyone around you. So most of us think we procrastinate the work to be done due to lack of time, but that couldn't be the challenge always. It is sometimes the competence, timelines, pressure, priorities, lack of motivation, no commitment, inability to make decisions, preparedness, expectations, environment around. So there are many reasons to procrastinate. Sometimes each work, different scenarios in each work, sometimes the same thing for all the procrastination that you're doing in your life. So with the information that I have around, with the stories of, the life stories that happen in the families or in the lives of my friends and around, I have understood points and brought it in a nutshell and brought it in this book. So procrastination, don't try to avoid this, try to manage this, master the art to master your life. That is the book about. And coming to small tip on time management, as you know, managing time can never be managed, because 1 second is equal to 1 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We can't manage it, but we should be self-managed during that time. Agreed? So a small tip, a clue for a lot of hints is just read this book. thank you so much for all the participants to allow me to participate along with great authors like you. And a special token of gratitude to Dr. Vineet Gira, pushing me out of my procrastination habit and bringing this book out. And thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Dilip ji. It was really a very nice, very wonderful journey with you in this entire writing process. Thank you so much for joining, and many congratulations to you for your book.
Thank you,
And ladies and gentlemen, those who want to see his magic and illusions, you can follow him on Instagram or Facebook.
thank you,
You'll
sir.
find a lot of things. Great. So, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, अब जिनको मैं दावत देने जा रहा हूँ वो हैं मीडिया जगत की जानी मानी हस्ती, जिन्होंने बहुत सारे टीवी चैनल्स के साथ काम किया है, जिन्होंने बहुत सारे न्यूज एंकर्स के साथ काम किया है, and he is the person who knows the inside story of a newsroom. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me invite Mr. Vikram Kapoor. Vikram जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. और मुझे बहुत ही प्रसन्नता है कि पिछली बार मैं नहीं शामिल हो पाया था बुक लॉन्च में, लेकिन आज भी दिल्ली में बहुत तेज जो है बारिश हो रही है और मैं कहीं से आ रहा था. मैंने आपको मैसेज भी किया था कि मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हो जाऊंगा, लेकिन बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने इसी दौरान पिछले 2 महीने के दौरान ही किताबें लिखी होंगी, मुझे पूरा यकीन है. और जो भी मेरी जर्नी रही है, सेम जो जर्नी है वो आप सब लोगों को भी होगी. और बहुत बहुत बधाई आप सब लोगों को.
थैंक यू सो मच विक्रम जी, और बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद आपको फॉर राइटिंग दिस वंडरफुल थिंग. और इनकी किताब में राइट फ्रॉम A to Z यू कैन फाइंड अबाउट ऑल द न्यूज रूम, राइट. स्टोरी कहाँ से शुरू होती है, कहाँ कैसे शूट होती है, कैसे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज बनती है, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू. So, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, now I would like to invite another lady from Delhi. She is a medical practitioner, she is a doctor, and she has written another wonderful book wherein it talks about how you can take care of your health. Dr. Chetna, welcome.
Good evening, everybody. Sorry, I'm here because of the network problem. I'm talking from my car, and reaching the car was a problem because there was so much of rain. I really got distracted from the whole process of the launch. I felt I wouldn't be able to reach here. Anyway, I'm here. Thank you, Dr. Vineet, for all the opportunity, all the motivation. And it has been a real good journey writing this book. It's my first book. I did not imagine myself as an author ever before. And so here I am. Thank you so much for everything. And here my book is called Decoding Health in Times of COVID. It's actually on prevention in health, and all that my experience in the field of medicine of all these years, I have reached to the conclusion that only prevention can save the people from anything. And the crisis has very well proven the whole fact that if people are inherently healthy, they have a good general health, they will really be able to face a crisis which is as bad as COVID and all others for that matter. So this is what I write in this book. And I felt also that during the crisis of COVID, what has come across to us is that the whole ecosystem is actually affecting our health, whether it is the financial, the economic situation of a country. So I think even we as individuals should take our economic health in our hands and plan it better, and that becomes also a kind of prevention, prevention towards health. Because if you're not financially healthy, you cannot even reach a hospital and get yourself treated. So financial health becomes very important. So in this book, I have also tried to give you certain hints, certain help, how one should plan one's life financially also. And I feel that prevention is not only, and you want to prevent the complications of a disease, that is also called prevention. So this book of mine helps you deal with situations when you are already unhealthy, and you plan yourself, you manage your disease towards, away from complication. So this is what my book says, and I hope it is helpful to everybody. My earnest desire is that it should help people. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Great.
Dr. Vineet.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Chetna. And it had been really a very nice association, and obviously it will remain continue. And thank you so much for being a part of the journey.
It's a pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
My association is going to be for a long time with you all, and it's a beautiful
Certainly.
journey.
Ji. So, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead now, I would like to invite another gentleman who perhaps there is some issue with the signal.
Thank you so much.
Ji. So, ladies and gentlemen, next author is from Hyderabad itself. हालांकि एक फार्मा कंपनी में काम करते हैं, but his writing skills and are really very good. And I do remember I met him in one of my workshops in Hyderabad, and where he signed up, and finally after spending some couple of months, now he is ready with his book. Not only ready, but he is getting very good response for his book. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me take the pleasure to invite Mr. Satyadev Mukul.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much, Vineet sir.
Good afternoon.
It's all because of you that I'm here. I met him in February 2020 there in a seminar in Lakdi Ka Pul, I remember. So I was not fully sure that whether I'm going to write something or not, but with all his effort and guidance, I just made it. And I'm really very happy what I have written. Actually, I work in a vaccine organization working with the R&D. And the book is actually talking about psychology. So it was all different domain actually I have covered up. So people started asking me, ऐसे कैसे लिख सकते हो मतलब psychology के ऊपर, how much you know about this? So that was a concealed identity, actually what I felt, that I have always been into the process of knowing things very minutely. So the inspiration is one of the biggest inspiration without any doubt is Dr. Vineet Gera, as I can say. And other one is the observation, minute observation, and the feedbacks from the setbacks, actually from my life, if I'll say. So everyone is made up of stories. They all have their own stories within. So how actually perceive that story or the experiences is very important for us. So we say most of the time, if you meet people, they will say we try to be positive, be positive. So it's not a magic to be positive all the time. It's not at all a magic that you suddenly switch from being negative to be positive. If your environment is negative, you cannot always be positive. It's very tough to be positive. So that should be actually what I believe is, that is a logical positivism, what you can implement in your life. That can really help you out. So how this logic comes from, how you put logic into being negative. If you're surrounded with negative people, there exist. We cannot say that negative things are not there, negative people are not there. So I firmly believe that every phenomenon in this life has its significance. Either it is positive or it's negative. So that phenomenon has to be taken, perceived in such a way that how you put logic from that, and logic comes from how you perceive that. That perception comes from if you have that flexibility to adapt in that situation. If you have a monotony in accepting the things in a particular way, all the time that particular incident happens and you perceive in the same way. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to have a bank of reaction towards the perception, towards the experiences. How we should have flexibility. We can have choices, how we can perceive that. And that is called cognitive flexibility. Most of us are aware of this. So if we have serious logic about how we can perceive it, that will help us to be positive in a different, in a negative situation also. That is the philosophy of the book, what I'm talking about. The most important factor of this book, what it revolves around is the significance of life. Every phenomenon is significant, and hence I think that so has our birth. So in that way, every life is significant. So if we put logical positivism in the experiences what we are into, we can definitely go for, we can achieve something, accomplish something what we wish to have. There are certain things like we all have skills and limitations within us. So these skills and limitations, how we reach out to that is dependent upon how it has been gifted to us since start from our childhood or the infancy. So I try to focus all those things. People have some belief that I cannot do that, I cannot do this. So how it comes from? Because the people around us, always they used to tell us that it is not your cup of tea, you cannot do that. It's you are meant for this. And those layouts wrapped in a beautiful gift wrap has been accepted by us without going to see our terrain, actual what territory we have. So we never have been close to our real self. So these people may be anyone, maybe our teachers, maybe sometimes our parents or our relatives or even friends also. You are good in that, you are bad in that. So, but you don't know that actually you are bad, you do what skills you have and what are the limitations you have. So how much we be with our real self will help us achieving something in our life. So there are certain stories, real life stories I have tried to correlate with the real life incidents to what I actually tried to put light on. So I tried my level best to express what I felt and to come out to some conclusion through this book, and hope if people are getting it, they'll enjoy. And so I would like to congratulate everyone who has authored book, because when you see something, you cannot understand how difficult or tough or enjoyable it is. But when you are into the process directly, then you can understand. When I have been into this process, it was really a fabulous, amazing experience for me. I'm the first time I have written something. And one word what Vineet sir has told, that ink what you think, and I've just stick to that. I started inking what I used to think, and eventually it has come into existence and my dream came true. So I congratulate all of the authors present here, and thank you Vineet sir once again for all your blessings and support for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mukul, and many congratulations once again.
Thank you,
So
sir.
finally, we are done with it. Great.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as you know that today is Janmashtami, and it's a happy birthday of Lord Krishna. And one of our authors has written a book about Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And as you know that Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the message of Lord Krishna to the world. And it's a guiding force, it's a guiding, the Granth or conversation between Arjun and Lord Krishna, which always keeps us guiding. So I would like to invite Aurobindo sir. He is from Bengaluru. He is a professor in a college, and he has studied Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and he has written a book, The Gita Way of Life. Aurobindo ji, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is my wife, and incidentally, by cosmological intervention, her name is Geeta.
Ah, great.
So
coincidence, sir.
Yeah, it's a coincidence. It's a divine coincidence, and now lot of Geetopadesh experience for the last 20 years. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Great to be here. Ladies and gentlemen, my book is called The Gita Way of Life. The Gita Way of Life, and thank you very much. I'm blessed to have written this.
Super.
And thank you very much, Dr. Vineet. It was a real experience and a real eye-opening journey over the last 3 months. Ink what you think may sound very easy on the internet link when you click, but when you actually start inking what you're thinking, there were so many days where I could not get up. I did not want to get up to write. And Vinit sir said, okay, fine, it's okay, aaj chhod jo, come back again tomorrow, start again. So it was an everyday journey. And thanks to my wife for understanding my need to be locked up in a room, to think and write, refer a lot of books, refer a lot of websites, put together my own experiences and examples and so on. And finally, it is here. This is an unveiled copy. I had to unveil it for myself. I could not do it live because I had to first take it to the temple and offer it last week when I got my copy. So basically, my book is about the simplified version of some of the core concepts of Bhagavad Gita. From about 6-7 chapters, I have tried to simplify it. Under each chapter, I have put across something called as a key takeaways, and over the entire book of 190 pages, I have put together 135 key takeaways. That is like maximum 1 or 2 sentences. You can read, you can contemplate multiple times during multiple phases of your life. That will give different perspectives, like it is continuing to give me. Number 1. Number 2, this is not shloka by shloka translation kind of a book. This is a simple conversational style, like I am talking to you, kind of an experiential book that you can finish it in 1 day, 1 hour, revisit it, review it. Each time you will get different perspectives, like I am getting from Bhagavad Gita. And through this book, I've introduced at least 270 Sanskrit words of the main concepts, along with their meanings as well, in Devanagari and English too. So there have been comparisons with little bit, some aspects of comparison with Islam, Christianity, and Gita as well. Overall, my experience, as I have seen, there have been certain phases where I have blanked out, and the fingers have automatically typed whatever text that Lord Krishna wanted to pass out to the world. So I can say divine cosmological intervention, and of course Gita as well sitting next to me. So there has been a lot of multiple dimensional forces that were in play to bring this book out. Thank you very much, Dr. Vineet. Your help has been tremendous. Your support, guidance, it's like literally holding on to a finger and learning to walk. And finally, I'm extremely happy that the fruits of my labor, though it was not planned this way, it has culminated in Janmashtami, and I'm glad that I'm really, releasing a book on Bhagavad Gita on the day of Lord Krishna. Vasudeva Sutam Devam, Kamsa Chanura Mardanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Sri Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. That's all I can say. Thank you very much. Let there be peace across everybody. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Great, superb. And once again, many congratulations to you that, this is the day of this kind of book. I really appreciate.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, अगली शख्सियत जिनसे मैं आपका तारुफ कराने जा रहा हूँ, बिहार से हैं और बहुत सारे NGO से जुड़े हुए हैं और बहुत सारे सामाजिक काम करते हैं, और किताब उन्होंने लिखी है कि आपको अमीर बनने का हक है। दिनेश पासवान जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका।
जी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर।
आज बहुत खुशी हो रही है, जन्माष्टमी के अवसर पर हमें ये मौका दिया आपने। विनीत जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे पुस्तक का नाम जैसे आपने बताया है, आपको अमीर बनने का हक है। हमने सब टाइटल सपनों को साकार करने की संवेदनशीलता रखा है। निश्चित रूप से जब तक कोई सपना नहीं होगा तो उसे साकार कैसे करेंगे। और हमारे मुख्य रूप से मैं व्यवसायी हूँ, और व्यवसाय करते हुए मैं बिहार पर फोकस करता हूँ। बिहार में बहुत से युवा बेरोजगार है, तो उन्हें हैंड होल्डिंग करने के लिए मैं पूरे बिहार की यात्रा करते रहता हूँ। और चूंकि मैं चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री स्पेशल बिहार के लिए मैं उसका अध्यक्ष हूँ, इस वजह से मुझे दर्जनों सवाल प्रत्येक दिन आते हैं। और उस सवाल से मुझे आइडिया आया कि मैं इनके लिए एक पुस्तक लिख सकता हूँ। तो ये आइडिया जो है, इसको साकार करने के लिए मुझे विनीत जी का प्लेटफॉर्म मिला। थैंक यू विनीत जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने हमें प्रोत्साहित किया, उत्साहित किया, और मैं अपने सपनों को साकार करने के लिए अपने मित्रों के सवालों का जवाब मैंने दिया है। और इस पुस्तक से फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन के माध्यम से कोई भी व्यक्ति फर्स्ट यू लर्न देन यू अर्न, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आपका माइंडसेट अगर बहुत मजबूत हो जाएगा मेंटली, तो आप मेंटली फिट होंगे, स्वाभाविक रूप से आप अमीर हो जाएंगे। ऐसा बहुत उम्मीद है। आपने बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि अभी हमारी पुस्तक रास्ते में है, लेकिन आपने हमें अमेज़न में, किंडल में आपने अवेलेबल कराया है, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू
सो मच दिनेश जी, थैंक यू सो मच दिनेश जी, और एक बार बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। और अब दिनेश जी का आशीर्वाद मिल गया तो सब लोग अमीर हो जाएंगे, अब कोई टेंशन नहीं। ग्रेट, थैंक यू सर। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आगे बढ़ते हैं और अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा, हैदराबाद से हैं। शी इज वैसे तो मेडिकल डॉक्टर बट एक स्कूल में कार्यरत हैं, एंड शी हैज रिटन अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज फॉर दी स्टूडेंट्स। डॉक्टर जूनी राय, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका।
Namaskar. Hello, everybody. And can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
My
yes.
voice is clear. Okay. Actually, the day when I went to the workshop, I was really not sure I will come to this end of the journey. And it is not the end of the journey. Actually, it is a new beginning for me because it is my first book, and it is an emotional journey. Actually, I have written short stories. In my life, I am blessed with very nice and sweet pets, and they are quite unusual. And they, those experiences I have penned down in this book. And this is my book cover. My hard copy is not there, so I want to share. I have this is my book cover, and it's very nice and very dear to me. And I really thank Vineet sir for this day today, because for past 2 days I'm unable to sleep, and I'm rehearsing what I will say today. But whatever I planned, now it is not coming. So I really thank you so much, and I request you to read this book, because it is a sweet story. And one of the story is Let Me Fly. My cover, my book main, the book name. And why it is Let Me Fly? Because I had a pet, my parrot, and it lived with us for 18 years. And it was like my small brother. And when the day it died on my sister's farm, as if it is asking a permission, let me go, let me fly, because I could sense the pain in its heart, that it could not go to the free sky. So I'm really against keeping parrots after that, because I feel they should fly. So my book title is Let Me Fly. Please read it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Juni, and once again, many congratulations to you. And I know your next book is also in the pipeline.
Yes,
so
yes.
we'll get to read more from you. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Great. So moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, please do not mind. I'm not, keeping any sequence. So I'm just, one by one as a random I'm calling. So, ladies and gentlemen, another person who is not only a corporate trainer but a life coach and certified trainer for bulletproof manager and so many things, so many credentials he has, and he has been a very popular personality for the corporate training. So, ladies and gentlemen, he's primarily from Hyderabad, settled in Chennai for due to his corporate assignments. So let me take this pleasure to invite Mr. Jagannath Rao. Jagan sir, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you very much, Vineet ji. And first of all, congratulations to all the new authors who are published their book or launching their book today. So primarily, my book is about leadership, and like Vineet ji said, I've been delivering leadership programs for quite some time and across industries, and probably would have trained more than 500-600 managers. And so in that process, what I thought was, why not put them together in the form of a book. And in fact, I met Vineet ji, I think last year, and in one of the sessions like this. And then, I had a long time dream of coming up with a book, but then after meeting Vinitji, I decided that I'll start writing it. Though I finished the book in 45 days, and during that time was a turbulent phase for me. And finally, of course, I could finish the book. And once again, when I launched the book, COVID hit. But anyway, so things now started picking up for the book now. And I'll just share a few things about the book. Is that it talks about 10 different competencies. What I've tried to do is that not just, giving what is important for leadership, but I also clubbed it with my own experiences in life. Like started with value systems, and where I've learned a lot of things from my grandfather and grandparents. I incorporated that as the first chapter, and then talked about conflict resolution, decision making, influencing, and resilience, and so on and so forth. There are 10 competencies that I've listed, and yeah, so that's about the book. Of course, what I've done also is that for each chapter, I've actually put some acronyms so that they are easy to remember, because this is more of a practice book. So it will help young leaders to actually practice some of the principles that are suggested in this book. Okay, so yeah, and I just like to just show you the copy of the book. Oh, okay. So I think this sharing is not enabled anyway. So the book's name is Hop, Skip, and Jump to Leadership. The idea is to make leadership simple if you practice these 10, competencies and principles that are leader behaviors that are suggested in the book. And thank you very much, Vinitji, for providing this opportunity. And congratulations once again to all the authors. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Jagan sir, and many congratulations to you once again. Thank you so much for bringing this book out. It's really very helpful and written in very, step-by-step kind of process. You adopt this and you get to, gain this particular leadership trait. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, now next one is a couple who is in the business of making beautiful buildings, right? And they are from Delhi, and they have written this book. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Manu Goyal and Nishant Goyal ji. Manu ji, welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, just like everybody, you all share my emotion as well. Big gratitude to Vineet sir for helping us get started on this journey. And then congratulations to all the fellow authors, because I think you're all in the same boat as me and sharing my emotion. So I don't have to explain that. I'll move on to the book. The book is titled Cracking the Efficient Buildings Code: The Offices, Factories, Hospitality and Retail Buildings That Win Customers. So this book has been co-authored by me and my partner in life and business, Nishant Goyal. He will be speaking after me. We are both practicing architects based at New Delhi, and we work on designing buildings and campuses all over India. So here in this book, we have talked about what is meant by the term efficient buildings. And while writing this book, we have been able to, when you write a book, आप उस subject पे और ज़्यादा मंथन करते हैं and you go into the depths of that subject. So that's a great learning experience too. So we have been able to put a very detailed structure to this simple term called efficient buildings. And there is a 10-pillar agenda with the help of which one can analyze their buildings. I'll give you a small example. Here, मैं बात करूँगी कि how to turn the challenges into a strength. So we completed a campus last year in Ahmedabad. It's a large project, 30-acre campus. And one part of the site, about 1.5 acres of that site, was actually a low-lying area. वहाँ पानी भर जाता था हर साल बरसात में, and that is also why they could not construct anything in that corner. And what we did is, through our design, we gave them energy efficiency measures. हमने उस पूरे campus में लगाए हैं. And one of the small things that we have done is we have developed grass swales in that area, low-lying area. Grass swales में क्या होता है? Calculated capacity of water gets recharged into the ground, and वहाँ silting नहीं होती because of the section that you design. So eventually, what they could now do is they can. So earlier, the GIDC, Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation, was sending them a notice that you can't withdraw so much of water. Now they are writing to GIDC saying that we are percolating this much of rainwater into your ground, and so they're getting 1.5 times water extraction permission from GIDC. So this is a classic example of how you can turn a challenge into a strength through design. And in that building, we have saved 49% energy only through design. Solar passive measures, बहुत सारे हमने measures use किए. So what we have done in this book is, जो सवाल हमारे clients जिनसे struggle करते हैं, उनको हमने question format में with sir's help, FAQ format sir ने suggest किया, which was a very good idea. तो हमने frequently asked questions के format में इसको रखा है. Each chapter focuses on one type of buildings, for example, offices or factories or whatever. So this book is basically for the benefit of all those who are making a new build, like a corporate building or an office building or a factory or a hospitality building like a hotel. And there are very simple and easy to adopt methods with the help of which they can save money by reducing running costs and also generate money by energy generation. So I would really recommend and request all of you to promote this and help those of your friends and colleagues and known people who are in the process of making new factories or new office buildings or campuses. So this is in summation what the book is all about. I would, sir, with your permission, can I ask Nishant to add? Nishant.
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah. Hello. Thank you. And this is the first time I meet everyone, and thank you very much. Thank you, Vinit ji, for all the guidance that you've been giving Manu, and it's great to meet fellow authors and people who've used their time efficiently, if I may add, and delved into their thoughts and come up with such amazing books, and the topics are really, really powerful. Just continuing from what Manu said, I mean, efficiency is a word which a lot of times we use very, very casually, and it's used very widely. When it comes to buildings, then a whole lot of things and little details go into making a building efficient. It could be efficient use of space, energy management, efficient lighting, etc., etc. So Manu and I have been practicing architects for 20 years, and we've power packed our knowledge and experience into this book. There have been countless analyzing sessions, and a lot of our intellect has gone into this book. And it's about how you build efficiency in your buildings, and focuses, like Manu said, on offices, industries, hospitality, and retail buildings. Efficient buildings gradually become your brand image and your identity, and they help you win customers and attract the best minds to work with your enterprises. We wanted to make it easy to understand, because it's a technical topic, and we didn't want to get into too much of jargon, but make it very simple and easy to understand. So the FAQ format has been adopted, and it was a great suggestion by you, Vinit. And everyone would have a lot of questions with respect to their buildings, and I'm sure this book will answer a lot of them. And the good thing is that you find a question in there which is similar to the one which is there in head, and you can and there'll be some takeaways that will make your own building design efficient. So yeah, welcome to the world of efficient buildings, and happy reading.
Great. Thank you so much, Manuji, and thank you so much, Nishantji, and many congratulations to both of you. Thanks a lot. So ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead now, I would like to invite a gentleman from Himachal Pradesh. He is the trainer who can give you the training on how to manage your finances. खेमराज जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका. खेमराज जी, unmute करके we can talk.
Good evening, sir.
जी, good evening.
Thank you very much, sir. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपकी गाइडेंस में जो एक ऑथर की एक जर्नी थी उसको कंप्लीट किया और अपनी बुक को पब्लिश किया. मेरी जो बुक का टाइटल है द सीक्रेट टू बिकम मिलियनर. मैंने वोकेशनल टीचर मोर देन किया हुआ है कंप्लीट. अभी लास्ट 2 और 3 मंथ्स पहले ही वहाँ से क्विट करके रखा हुआ और एज ए करियर काउंसलर अपना वर्क करना स्टार्ट किया। तो मैंने जो बुक लिखी वो बुक फाइनेंस के ऊपर है और बुक का टाइटल है द सीक्रेट टू बिकम मिलियनर पाथवे टू स्टॉक मार्केट। इस बुक में मैंने what's the meaning of saving, what are the different latest options that are available for saving, that is your long term, as well as how you can open your demat account। और एक चैप्टर मैंने इसमें और इंक्लूड करके रखा कि what are the different career options that are available for finance as well as a commerce student, and what are the details बुक शो करवा रहे हैं। बुक को ये amazon.in को इंस्टा मोजो एक अकाउंट बना के रखा है, उस रखा हुआ है। और इसको आई थिंक दैट में भी शायद मैंने इसमें अनरोल तो करा था, पर पता नहीं कि नहीं करा था कुछ करके, तो कनेक्टिविटी नहीं हुई। मोर देन 30 to 35 जो स्टूडेंट है, उन जो पीपल थे उन्होंने भी परचेज करके रखा। तो उनकी जो फीडबैक मेरे पास आई, तो उनकी फीडबैक के बेसिस में बोल सकता हूँ कि उनकी फीडबैक ये है कि द लैंग्वेज दैट इज यूज्ड इन दिस बुक दैट इज सो सिंपल अंडरस्टैंडेबल। क्योंकि फाइनेंस की जितनी भी बुक थी वोकेशनल स्ट्रीम में जो बुक लेकर के रखी थी स्टूडेंट के लिए, तो उनको भी थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी थी कि डिफिकल्ट टर्म्स लेकर के रखी होती थी, उनको समझना है करना। तो मैंने इसमें बिल्कुल बेसिक एक सिंपल कंसेप्ट में जितनी भी टेक्निकल टर्म्स थी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाउ टू सेव, व्हाट इज फाइनेंशियल डायरी, व्हाट इज पोर्टफोलियो डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, बिल्कुल सिंपल करके इसको यूज करके रखा है। तो जो स्टूडेंट से जो मेरे को फीडबैक आई है, जो रीडर से फीडबैक आई हुई है, उनकी यही क्वारी है कि जो लैंग्वेज आपने यूज करके रखी है दैट इज सो सिंपल। थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर विनीत।
Thank you so much खेमराज जी, and once again many congratulations to you। So अगर कोई चाहता है कि स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना राइट फ्रॉम द जीरो, कैसे डीमेट अकाउंट खोलें, कौन कौन से स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करें, कब करें, तो वो इनकी किताब को पढ़ के मदद ले सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच खेमराज जी।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा चंडीगढ़ से हमारे बहुत ही सीनियर मित्र हैं, और आपने इनके कॉलम्स बहुत सारे अखबार में, मैगजीन्स में पढ़े होंगे, और बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स करते हैं, और बहुत सारी बड़ी बड़ी मैगजीन्स के फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू लाइव भी इनके सेशंस चलते रहते हैं। पीके खुराना जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। शायद खुराना जी तक आवाज नहीं पहुंच पा रही है, कोई नहीं, हम फिर से ट्राई करेंगे उन तक पहुंचने का। मीनवाइल मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा।
एक मिनट, आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, आ रही है।
You able to? जी ठीक है, सॉरी। ये मेरी बुक का कवर पेज है, जो शायद आप देख सकेंगे। दूसरे मोबाइल से मैं दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये किंडल पर अवेलेबल है डॉक्टर गेरा की कृपा से। तो मैं छोटी सी बात एक कहना चाहूंगा। सोलर सिस्टम बहुत सारे हैं हमारे ब्रह्मांड में, और एक सोलर सिस्टम में कई सारे ग्रह हैं। उनमें से एक पृथ्वी है। पृथ्वी में एक देश है इंडिया। उस देश इंडिया में एक शहर है चंडीगढ़। शहर चंडीगढ़ में एक घर है, जिसमें बैठा हुआ एक आदमी सोच रहा था कि आज शायद मैं छा जाऊंगा, मैं बहुत बड़ा आदमी हूं। पर जब मैंने बाकी टाइटल्स देखे तो महसूस हुआ कि मैं कितना छोटा आदमी हूँ। और ये मतलब बहुत बड़ी प्रेरणा है मेरे लिए, जब मैं आप लोगों के टाइटल्स देख रहा हूँ कि इतनी अच्छी किताबें, इतने अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट्स के साथ आप लोगों ने लिखी हैं डॉक्टर गेरा के लीडरशिप में, और उनकी प्रेरणा से और उनकी गाइडेंस से। तो धन्यवाद डॉक्टर गेरा का। जो मेरी किताब है, इसका नाम है भारतीय लोकतंत्र, समस्याएं और समाधान। इसके बारे में मैं 3 छोटी छोटी सी बातें कहना चाहूंगा, सिंस हम सभी इंडिया के सिटीजन्स हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंडियंस को मालूम नहीं है कि हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारे लोकतंत्र के बारे में क्या कहता है। मैं एक बात से शुरू करूंगा कि ये घर हमारा है और हमारे घर में आग लगी हुई है। जो सबसे ज्यादा दुखदाई बात है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को अक्रॉस दी पार्टीज, मैं किसी एक पार्टी का दोष नहीं है इसमें, सारी पार्टीज और सारे लीडर्स ने मिल करके इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एक बड़ी मजेदार चीज बना दी है। और वो चीज मैं उसको मजेदार कह रहा हूं ताकि आप उसको ध्यान से सुने। वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ये अथोराइज करता है हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर को कि अगर वो चाहें तो कल वो कह दें कि इंडिया में किसी भी तरह के किसी भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जरूरत नहीं है। आई रिपीट, हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्राइम मिनिस्टर को अलाउ करता है कि वो अगर चाहें तो ये कानून बनवा दें कि इंडिया में किसी तरह के किसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जरूरत नहीं है, और ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अलाउ करता है। और अगर वो ऐसा करेंगे तो वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली लीगली अप्रूव्ड होगा। ये चीज इंडिया में किसी को नहीं पता है। आप में से बहुत से लोग लीगल बैकग्राउंड के हो सकते हैं, विक्रम कपूर जी जर्नलिज्म बैकग्राउंड से हैं, इसलिए मैं स्पेसिफिकली ये चीज एम्फसाइज अपॉन करना चाह रहा हूँ कि हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में प्रोविजंस ऐसी आ गई हैं जिनके कारण हमारा लोकतंत्र, जिसको बनाना रिपब्लिक कहते हैं, वो सचमुच बनाना रिपब्लिक है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमारा इस हद तक शक्तिशाली है कि वो जो चाहे कह सकता है, कर सकता है, डिक्टेटर बन सकता है। लोगों की लोक लाज में वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने हुए हैं या इलेक्टेड लीडर बने हुए हैं। अदरवाइज जवाहरलाल नेहरू से लेकर, इंदिरा गांधी से लेकर, राजीव गांधी से लेकर, वीपी सिंह से लेकर, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी से लेकर और नरेंद्र मोदी जी तक, हर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने, मैं 3 छोटे छोटे उदाहरण दूंगा मजेदार। इंदिरा गांधी जी ने इमरजेंसी लगाई, वीपी सिंह जी ने मंडल कमीशन लगाया। जब मंडल कमीशन की रिकमेंडेशंस को एक्सेप्ट किया, उनके अपनी डेप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर देवीलाल जी उसके अगेंस्ट थे, बट ही कुडंट स्टॉप द प्राइम मिनिस्टर। इस हद तक प्राइम मिनिस्टर शक्तिशाली होता है। और आप सब जानते हैं कि 8 नवंबर 2016 को मोदी जी ने नोटबंदी लागू कर दी बिना किसी और की सलाह लिए। कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कोई पार्लियामेंट का अप्रूवल नहीं थी, कैबिनेट की अप्रूवल नहीं थी, आरबीआई की अप्रूवल नहीं थी, उन्होंने लागू कर दिया अकेले आदमी ने या 2-3 आदमियों ने। तो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इस हद तक एम्पावर करता है, एम्पावर कहना तो शायद गलत शब्द है, इस हद तक डिक्टेटोरियल पावर्स देता है प्राइम मिनिस्टर को कि वो कुछ भी कर सकता है। और इसके बारे में जानकारी होना नागरिकों को बहुत जरूरी है। मेरी इस किताब में बहुत से ऐसे उदाहरण दिए गए हैं, पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम क्या काम करता है, कैसे काम करता है, इसमें क्या क्या फ्लॉज आ गए हैं ओवर द ईयर्स, और उनके लिए नागरिकों को सवाल क्या पूछने चाहिए। एक और छोटी सी बात कह करके मैं अपनी बात खत्म करूंगा। एज अ वोटर यू आर फ्री टू वोट टू एनीबडी। आपके इलाके में एमएलए के लिए या एमपी के लिए 50 कैंडिडेट खड़े हों, आप अपनी मर्जी से किसी को भी वोट दे सकते हैं। पर एक आदमी जो एमएलए बन गया या एमपी बन गया या सरपंच बन गया या मेयर बन गया या पार्षद बन गया, वो अपनी मर्जी से वोट नहीं दे सकता। He cannot cast his vote with his own free will. ये सबसे बड़े हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का फ्लॉ है। उसका रिजल्ट ये है कि जब कोई बिल लोकसभा में पेश होता है, विधानसभा में पेश होता है, तो बिल पेश होने से पहले पता होता है कौन किस चीज के लिए वोट करेगा। यानी वो वोट करेगा तो वो हाँ में करेगा कि ना में करेगा। उसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ है कि 15 मिनट के वक्फे में 32 बिल पास हो जाते हैं। आप प्लीज इस सेंटेंस को, इस बात को नोट कीजिए कि लोकसभा में एक बिल की, मान लीजिए 200-300 पेज का बिल है, 15 मिनट में अगर 32 बिल पास हो गए तो किसने उसको पढ़ा, किसने उसकी सब क्लॉजेस को पढ़ा, उस पर विचार बना लिया, उस पर मन बना लिया कि मैंने इसके पक्ष में या विपक्ष में वोट देना है। तो ये बड़ी दुखदायी सिचुएशन है हमारे लोकतंत्र की, और इसके बारे में नागरिकों को जानकारी होना बहुत जरूरी है। इसीलिए मैंने ये बुक लिखी है। मैं अदरवाइज एक हैप्पीनेस कोच हूँ, और इस प्रोफेशन में आदमी को नॉन कंट्रोवर्शियल होना चाहिए आइडियली। मैं जानबूझ करके इतना बड़ा रिस्क ले रहा हूँ। हो सकता है ये बुक पब्लिश हो और नरेंद्र मोदी जी का ईडी मेरे पास, मेरे घर में छापा मार दे, मेरे बिजनेस पे छापा मार दे, बट अनलेस यू टेक अ स्टैंड यू आर नॉट अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। ये सोच करके मैंने ये किताब लिखी है, और मैं आप सबसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि आप हर हालत में इस किताब को पढ़ें और समझें और अपने अधिकारों की रक्षा करें। वरना ये पक्की बात समझिए, आज नहीं तो कल आने वाला कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर इस देश को तानाशाही में बदल देगा। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच खुराना सर। और मुझे तो सौभाग्य मिला इनकी किताब को रिलीज होने से पहले ही पढ़ने का, और बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्ट थे जिनके बारे में, बहुत सारे क्या मैं तो कहूँगा ऑलमोस्ट सारे ही फैक्ट ऐसे थे जिनके बारे में मुझे तो नहीं पता था एज अ नागरिक, एज अ कॉमन ह्यूमन बीइंग। और एवरी पेज वाज ऑलमोस्ट हैविंग सम और द अदर आई ओपनर, टम जैसे बल्ब ऑन होता है ना वैसा। एनीवेज, थैंक यू सो मच सर, एंड विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, मेनी कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू, और सौभाग्य हमारा आपके साथ जुड़ने का मौका।
ये किताब हिंदी में है, अरविंदो जी का सवाल था। दिस इज इन हिंदी, बट इफ यू वांट टू बाय द इंग्लिश वर्जन, देयर इज अ बुक कॉल्ड व्हाई इंडिया नीड्स द प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम, written by my former boss, Mr. Bhanu Dhamija. He is the chairman of a newspaper called Divya Himachal. This book is also inspired from his book only, and I have mentioned in the preface.
Right. Thank you so much sir, thanks a lot. So ladies and gentlemen, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और अब सीरियस मुद्दों से हटकर थोड़ा कविताओं की तरफ। So हमारी जो अगली ऑथर हैं पवनजीत कौर, शी इज फ्रॉम गुड़गांव, और from by profession she is a professor, she is teaching into a college, but कविताएं लिखना उनका शौक, उनकी हॉबी, और बहुत ही अच्छी कविताएं लिखती हैं। और इससे पहले भी हमारे जो ऑनलाइन कवि सम्मेलन होता है जिसके 3 एपिसोड हम लोग ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, उनमें से एक एपिसोड में इन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट भी किया था। तो पवनजीत जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका।
थैंक यू सो मच विनीत सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। एक कविता के साथ ही शुरुआत कीजिएगा प्लीज।
जरूर सर, जरूर। मंजिल पर पहुंचने की तलब भी है, तलब मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा चाहत होना किसी चीज की, तो मंजिल पर पहुंचने की तलब भी है और चाहते हैं खड़े रहना भी, मुश्किल तो सच में बहुत है बड़े होकर बड़े रहना भी। इसी के साथ मैं पवनजीत कौर आप सबको नमस्कार बोलती हूँ, और कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द ऑथर्स ओवर हियर जिन्होंने बुक्स लिखी हैं इस लॉकडाउन में, क्योंकि बुक लिखना, राइटिंग अ बुक, इट्स नॉट अबाउट शेयरिंग द नॉलेज और अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सबके सामने रखना, बट कई बार क्या होता है हम अपने आप को पा लेते हैं कुछ लिखते हैं जब, तो अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हम सोचते हैं शायद डेस्टिनेशन ही सब कुछ है, बट लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट जर्नी। तो जर्नीज बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होती हैं, एक्चुअली जर्नी डेस्टिनेशन से भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत होती हैं। और जिस दिन मैंने विनीत सर का फर्स्ट डे वो सेमिनार ज्वाइन किया था, मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था कि मेरी जर्नी जो मैंने स्टार्ट कर दी है वो एक तरह से डेस्टिनेशन में, या फिर मैं अपना फर्स्ट स्टेप कवर कर लूँगी इस जर्नी के थ्रू, बट आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड मेरी बुक है मेरी कलम मेरी ख्याल। तो अक्सर ऐसा होता है, लोग कहते हैं आपके दिमाग में नेगेटिव थॉट्स नहीं आने चाहिए, सिर्फ पॉजिटिव थॉट्स आने चाहिए, या फिर आप अपना गुस्सा जाहिर कर रहे हो, या फिर आप अपनी खुशी जाहिर कर रहे हो, दूसरों के सामने नहीं जाहिर करना चाहिए। लोग अक्सर ऐसा कहते हुए सुने हैं मैंने, लेकिन मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर आप अपने थॉट को उसी वक्त एक्सप्रेस कर दो, चाहे वो लिखने के जरिए एक्सप्रेस कर दो या बोल के एक्सप्रेस कर दो, किसी भी तरह, तो आप उस थॉट को बस बोला आपने, खत्म कर दिया वहीं पे। तो अगर नेगेटिव थॉट आ रहा है, नेगेटिव थॉट्स आर नॉट लाइक कि वो बुरे होते हैं, कई नेगेटिव थॉट्स अच्छे भी होते हैं। तो आप नेगेटिव थॉट आया आपको, आपने उसी वक्त निकाल दिया, उसको कागज पे लिख दिया या कुछ भी करके निकाल दिया, और बस उस नेगेटिव थॉट से आपको हमेशा के लिए आजादी मिलेगी। तो लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट आप कैसे अपनी नेगेटिविटी से या आप कैसे हर चीज से आजादी पा लेते हैं। तो मेरी बुक में आपको ऐसी ही चीजें देखने को मिलेंगी, हर तरह के विषय पे लिखी गई हैं यहाँ पे कविताएं। तो अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हमारी जुबान से बातें आती हैं लेकिन हम फिर भी चुप रह जाते हैं या हम कुछ कह नहीं पाते। अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हम दुनिया के सामने ये सोचते हैं कि लोग हमें कैसे जज करेंगे, और उस बेस पे हम कुछ कह नहीं पाते हैं। तो मैंने बस कोशिश की है अपने विचार वहाँ पे रखने की, क्योंकि ये हम सबके अपने से विचार हैं, तो जो भी इन्हें पढ़ेगा, जितने भी हमारे पाठक हैं, वो सबको यही लगेगा कि शायद ये उन्हीं की जिंदगी के कुछ पल हैं, उन्हीं को वो इस किताब के जरिए पढ़ रहे मटेरियल को यूटिलाइज किया और अपनी इतनी अच्छी अच्छी रचनाएं लेकर आए हैं। सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन किया उन्होंने, अपना एज अ ऑथर अपने आप को लॉन्च किया है। तो आई कंग्रेचुलेट एवरीवन एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर गाइडिंग मी एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
Thanks a lot, Pavanjit, and once again, many congratulations to you. Or so, ladies and gentlemen, now let's move ahead, and now I'm gonna invite the lady from Hyderabad, and she is associated with so many social causes. She belongs to a Marwadi family, and she has written a wonderful book. It's primarily a traditional book which is converted into English. Leher ji, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। लहर अग्रवाल जी, शायद उन तक आवाज नहीं पहुंच पा रही है। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और इनवाइट करते हैं नरेंद्र जी को। नरेंद्र जी,
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका एंड मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू फॉर योर फर्स्ट बुक। सो दर्शकों को बताइए आपकी किताब के बारे में।
सर मेरी बुक जो है, मैं वाले बुक के बारे में ही बता देता हूँ। मेरी बुक बेसिकली एक स्टोरी ली गई है, एक कॉलेज लाइफ, फैमिली चैलेंजेस। इसको देखते हुए एक स्टूडेंट जो कॉलेज में पढ़ता है वो कैसे अपने आप को मल्टीपल चीजों में एंगेज रखता हुआ आगे बढ़ता रहता है। एंड इसमें लव एंगल भी है। एक उसे बेसिकली बचपन से 2 साल की एज में उसका बेसिकली अपनी माँ जो है उनका एक्सपायर डेथ हो जाता है, फिर वो उसका लालन पालन स्टेप मदर के द्वारा होता है। तो फैमिली में चैलेंजेस बहुत सारे आते हैं और उसके साथ साथ वो अपनी एम्बिशंस को धीरे धीरे फुलफिल करता हुआ आगे आता रहता है। एंड अगेन एक कॉलेज, बिहार झारखंड का एकमात्र कॉलेज उस समय गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज हुआ करता था, बीआईटी सिंदरी, उसके आसपास कहानी घूमती रहती है। एंड देवघर सर झारखंड का कल्चरल कैपिटल है और इस स्टोरी में कुछ कल्चरल कैपिटल को भी एक अलग रूप में दिखाया गया है कि उसके अलावा भी उस शहर का अलग ध्येय हो सकता है। तो पूरी कहानियों को समेटता हुआ एक आज के जमाने में हम जैसे मृग अपने कस्तूरी को इधर उधर ढूंढता रहता है बट होता अपने अंदर ही है। तो उस अपने आप को समझने देखने की जो एक नजरिया होता है, उस नजरिए को इस बुक में पिरोया गया है। मतलब कहें कि एक फैमिली का बैकग्राउंड, एक गर्लफ्रेंड का बैकग्राउंड, दोनों को संभालता हुआ अल्टीमेटली उस जो एम्बिशन है, एम्बिशन की ओर बढ़ता हुआ एक खूबसूरत नॉवेल, हिंदी फिक्शन नॉवेल के रूप में मैंने सामने लाया है इसको। एंड इसके जो पाठक हैं वो कोई भी हो सकते हैं, ये कोई भी इन्हें पढ़ सकता है। बेसिकली नॉट ओनली फॉर स्टूडेंट बट मैं कहूँगा कुछ फैमिली मेंबर्स हों, चाहे वो अभी एस्पायरिंग कैंडिडेट हो, उस किसी के लिए भी सुटेबल बुक है। मैं फिलहाल IIT दिल्ली में काम करता हूँ और बीआईटी सिंदरी से पढ़ा हुआ हूँ, IIT दिल्ली से मास्टर्स भी मतलब करा है। तो ये हमारी बुक है अपनी कस्तूरी, वो अभी किंडल वर्जन अवेलेबल है इसका और जल्दी ही हम इसका फिजिकल कॉपी भी आएंगी आपकी सपोर्ट से। एंड रियली मैं आपको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ विनीत जी, जिसकी वजह से ये बुक आ पाया एंड सारे ऑथर्स को जो आज पब्लिश कर रहे हैं। और साथ ही साथ सर इस कम्युनिटी से मुझे एक और अपने कॉलेज सीनियर मिले, उमेश प्रसाद शाह, वो भी मेरे कॉलेज के ही सीनियर है और उनकी भी स्टोरी हमें पता चली, वो भी मेरे कॉलेज के आसपास ही घूमती हुई है, कल्पना स्टूडियो सर। तो थोड़ी देर में हम उन्हें भी सुनेंगे। थैंक यू सर।
ग्रेट। तो कल्पना टाकीज, हाँ, ये हमें नहीं पता था कि आप दोनों सेम कॉलेज के पास आउट हैं। ग्रेट, सुपर। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, नाउ मूविंग अहेड, अभी बहुत सारे ऑथर्स बाकी हैं, सो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। So ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite another gentleman who is from Hyderabad. He's working in a corporate company, but he has written his first book, Self Goal. कि कैसे अपना goal setting करें and how you can achieve your goal, how you can be a better person in your life. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Vamsi Krishna. Vamsi ji, many congratulations to you and welcome.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone. Today is an auspicious day, and it's my privilege to be with you all. And at this moment, I am launching my first book, Self Goal. Actually, to say about the book, these are life experiences which I had covered in this book. Normally, I've gone through various sets of people who are going through different stress factors, particularly in professional life. So when I came to understand what is the actual reason, these people are mainly going through two types of modes, whether it may be a fight mode or flight mode. So I want to explain you what is meant by a fight mode or flight mode. Fight mode means whenever there is any argument is going on, whenever there is some situation which has been raised, so people in generally they will they want to tackle the situation. When they are unable to tackle the situation, so they may go into a fight mode. So they will go simply go for a fight, or they will leave. They want to leave that place. The other thing known as flight mode. So on this topic generally, I had seen lot of cases happening in my past 15 years of my profession. So I seen these things happening with various people. So whether, for example, if one person is getting promoted fastly, so he had set his life, but I can see 10% of the people who are going through their challenges in a positive way. Rest of the 90% of the people, they are going to different mindsets. There's some stress factor is going. They don't understand what actually where they are standing. So they're having very good educational background, but some are somewhere due to different, we can say it as a politics or whatever it may be, they're somewhere they're getting stuck. So this book, I had written on what are all the reasons where the people are getting stuck. So simply I will just tell what are all the my chapters. Why people have unnecessary fears. For example, people will have a fear of failure. अभी वो काम करता ही नहीं है, but they may be thinking, अगर ये failure हो गया तो क्या होगा? So this is one type of it. Fear of unknown. कोई नया बंदा आया है, कोई नया system आया है, something new is coming. So they don't want to take that change. So this is something fear of unknown. जब तक हमको पता ही नहीं है वो क्या चीज है, उसके बारे में कुछ fear करना, it's not at all a good thing. So they want to fear of change. So they are in their comfort zones. All of people we are in our comfort zones. We just don't want to come out of it. Even though devil is sitting on our head, we don't want to leave that place. We don't know what is coming. Any angel is there outside, we don't know. But still we don't want to, we want to sit in that place. We want to continue that job. So these are all different types of fears people are going through. So why they are going through all these things? So what set of mindset they are going through? So these are some points which I had explained. I had explained about why people are feeling guilty, even though there is no fault of them. So most of the people that are going through chapters, they used to feel guilty for some other faults. They may be thinking, I need to give answer for them, for that thing. So if we thought of thinking in such a way, automatically that questions passes to us. We will be answerable for those type of things. So these are some of the points which I thought of sharing with all the people, particularly the working environment, working community, corporate community, where people are going through different type of stress factors. So this is my book, Self Goal. Everything is hard before it gets easy. So guys, please look into it, and it may be whenever if you're reading this, it's about us, it's about everyone. So thank you. So this is about my book, first book.
Great, thank you so much, Vamsi Garu, and many congratulations to you once again. And I really appreciate the way you have put across all these things in the book. It's very much practically, relatable to anybody. It's very much for the working community, those who are working in the corporate sector and all. Thank you so much, sir. So,
Thank you,
ladies
sir.
and
Thank you, sir.
gentlemen, moving ahead now, I would like to invite Dr. Raghujit Randhawa. He is from Bathinda, Punjab, and he is the coach for English language, and he is coach's coach for English language as well. So many congratulations and welcome, Raghujit ji.
Hello, sir. Hello, how are you?
Good, superb.
Sir, first of all, sir, many thanks to you. I have been a procrastinator all my life, and you are the one who has pushed me to finally write this book down. So first and foremost, it is all thanks to you.
Thank you.
And secondly, sir, my book is called An Honest Guide to English Language Coaching in India. It is not just about English language coaching. It is my attempt of how I have seen and experienced the education system that is prevalent in our country, the kind of paradoxes it holds, and the kind of prejudices that we have, especially towards the English language. My basic idea, although ironically the book is about English language coaching, but the core idea of the book is that English is not a super language. It is not our mother tongue, and if we are not very comfortable, or we do not have a great vocabulary or anything, that does not mean that somebody should be judged. Their intelligence levels should be judged because of the way they can speak or use the English language. So the basic ideology is about this. The concept that I have used is the recent phenomena, as most of you would be aware, especially in North India, people are migrating to Canada and Australia a lot, especially to Canada. So there's IELTS, the coaching institutes that have been mushrooming all around Punjab and Haryana. They have been most of them have been fleecing children without any proper coaching, as it is a multi-crore industry right now, and there are no coaches, there are no trained coaches for that. So my humble effort is just to put out there a framework, a guidelines of sorts that people can refer to while trying to coach others in English. So that is just my humble effort. Maybe it will, mean something in the long run. Thank you.
Sure, certainly. Thank you so much. And once again, many congratulations to you, Raghujit ji. And we are getting a very good response of your book. It's every day we are getting, getting so many orders. So I'm sure that people will get benefit and your message will reach to them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. So, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, we have a lot of things pending. Don't worry. So I would like to invite another gentleman who is from Bengaluru, Colonel Prem. Colonel Prem has written his book, which will help for the youngsters to crack the interviews. He had been training and guiding and mentoring so many different students on resume writing, interview skills, and so many other things. So, ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए प्रेम सर के पास चलते हैं. प्रेम जी, welcome and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vineet, and namaste everyone, and good evening, and a happy Janmashtami, of course, to all of us. Right? See, so this is a dream come true, because I had an ambition, and among the many other ambitions which got through, this one was pending, and that's when I came across Dr. Vineet in his webinar. And then I realized that it's not that difficult to write a book, and I just gave it a start. And that's how the book has seen the light of the day. It's called How to Sharpen Your Interview Skills. So, ladies and gentlemen, today it's not like about 10, 15 years or during our parents' time that people go take a job and look forward for the golden watch before they retire. Today, that's not the case. Today, you change your jobs every third or fourth year. Right, and then at least 4 or 5 years. So today, right from an intern to a CEO, or till the time you are, sitting and rocking in a rocking chair, you have to appear for interviews some way or the other. Even as an entrepreneur, if he has to get his business going, he's doing an interview of a very different kind. To get his business, to get his investments, all that. It's an interview. You may not call it an interview, but he's selling himself. So that's the basic thing. So in this book, there are so many books in the world, but the book that I have written is an experience of 3 decades plus 20 years in the armed forces and even as a commando, and we do a lot of interviews in the army, by the way, and 10 years plus in the corporate and 4 industries and head of HR, and all this put together, I felt that interview is just one chance you have when you go for it. If you make it, then you get the job. If not, you go for another interview. So therefore, your chances of hitting the highest in the interview capability is what I brought in this book. How would you do that? It's as simple as that. And I've covered some aspects of it which is not covered anywhere else. So these are things that has come into the book, and I've made this book more technology savvy book. I put the checklist on a QR code, which again Dr. Vinit told me in so simple ways how to do it. I thought it was a great science. And then so you can download your checklist on your smart mobiles, and you can, just before the interview, you know what to check. So please do take a look at this book. And I'm delighted to say that I just released it 2 days back, a soft launch on the LinkedIn, and today it's seen more than 6,000 views. And in the Kindle, it's a Kindle version because I couldn't get the public version because of containment zone. I am staying in a containment zone, so I can't get couriers to deliver the book. So that's why I've gone for Kindle. And 4 countries, people are already reading the book: USA, Australia, and Canada. They are reading the book, and that's one of the finest things about Kindle. You get to know who your people are reading. Thank you so much, Dr. Vinit, for seeing, one of my life ambitions. You took me by hand. You held me by hand and brought me there. Thank you so much. And thank to all the authors here for doing a splendid job in their books. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And once again, many congratulations to you. And I'm sure that the way you have, mentioned this entire interview process in your book, I'm sure that there is a large community which will get benefit out of it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Nice to hear that. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, now I would like to invite another doctor. He's a homeopathic doctor from Maharashtra, Akola se hai. And not only Dr. Satyajit, but unki entire family almost is, into the same profession. And he has written his book on the widening the horizons of homeopathy. Dr. Satyajit, बहुत-बहुत स्वागत आपका.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
जी, audio video clear है. Please.
First of all, thank you, Vinit sir, from the bottom of my heart, because had it not been for the 13th May webinar, this book would not have been in my hands today, and not in this way. So thank you so much, really from the bottom of my heart. And thank you for such a platform, because we are launching this ebook launches on the book launches on a very auspicious day, that is Janmashtami. And a very hearty congratulations to all the authors. So very diverse topics are being touched by various authors from different parts of the country. So that's a great platform that your publishing house has been offering to us. So the title of my book is Widening Horizons in the Study of Homeopathy. So I have tried to broaden the vision of the reader, and the subtitle is Eye-Opening and Thought-Provoking Insights. So time and again through the entire book, I have tried to live up to the subtitle. And generally what happens that when a book is written, it only compromises of one subject. So in this particular book, I have tried to encompass 3 fundamental subjects of homeopathy. That is materia medica, organon philosophy, and repertory. So if I'm not, this is a very novel attempt in the field of homeopathy. This book is exclusively meant for homeopathy doctors and homeopathy students. So an undergraduate, an intern, a doctor who has just begun his practice, and a doctor who has been practicing for many years. So we can have a broad range of readers. So, and a special chapter is about tribute to Master Henneman, who is the founder of homeopathy. This book was supposed to be launched on 2nd July, which is the death anniversary of the founder of homeopathy. But for some reasons, from my side, it got delayed. But ultimately, I declared that on 2nd July, this book is coming soon. And this particular chapter was available in PDF format for the readers. The readers could avail this chapter. And finally, on 7th of August, I received my printed copies. So thank you, Dr. Vineet sir, once again. And very hearty congratulations to all the authors. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. And
Thank you,
सर
sir.
के बारे में बता दूं कि ना सिर्फ एक बहुत अच्छे जाने माने डॉक्टर हैं, बल्कि एक बहुत अच्छे म्यूजिशियन भी हैं, और हमारी और डॉक्टर साहब की बहुत सारी कलेक्शन और पसंद मिलती है in that non-film music area. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for.
Excuse me, Vineet sir, I want to say something.
Please.
Dr. Satyajit, actually, I am also a homeopathic doctor. I
Great,
have done
great,
my medical from Kolkata. So I really could relate myself from you. I will definitely buy your book. Thank you so much for the book. Thank you so much.
Ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's actually a great, platform of getting yourself cured mentally and physically. So we really need to guide people regarding homeopathy. Thank you so much for the book. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
सुमित सर कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Yeah, Dr. Satyajit, even I am a homeopathy doctor.
Oh, Sumit sir.
Yeah.
Okay, I did. Sir, आप basically कहाँ से हैं sir?
I am from Jaipur, sir. I'll definitely recommend your book. Wonderful work, sir. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir, and many congratulations to you also, sir.
Thank you.
सर आपके मैं सुन नहीं पाया क्योंकि मैंने लेट लॉग इन किया. अगर आपका हो चुका हो तो.
Yeah. I've already launched my book. That is on psychological things.
बिल्कुल मैं चेकआउट करता हूँ सर हमारी इस Zoom मीटिंग के बाद सर. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Satyajit. Congratulations again.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
चलिए जी, thank you so much, and once again many congratulations to you, Dr. Satyajit.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. So, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead with another author, I would like to invite now Mr. Dilip Sharma, having a defense background, but a equally strong background in the trainings, corporate trainings, and life coaching. So, Dilip ji, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. दिलीप शर्मा जी, ही इज फ्रॉम बेंगलुरु, और काफ़ी टाइम से हमारा एसोसिएशन रहा है विद दी ट्रेनर्स कैंप के द्वारा भी. और सर की जो किताब है, ही बिलीव्स दैट पीपल मेक द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सो वी द पीपल इज द बुक. दिलीप जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपका.
धन्यवाद विनीत जी. और मैं दोबारा ये रिपीट ही करना चाहूँगा कि अगर ये किताब लिख पाया और ये किताब छप पाई तो इसका कारण ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर विनीत गेरा है. और इस किताब को लिखने में एक ही एक मोटिवेशन था, एंड दैट इज वन थिंग दैट आई हैव लिव्ड माय लाइफ थ्रू, वेदर इट वाज माय डिफेंस stint or my stint in the corporate. You earn a lot of things, but the one earning that stays with you is the people you earn. So many may differ to say how can you earn people. So people is what will stick on with you, and the more people you have whom you can rely on is only possible when you are there for them. And just to think of it, if even 20% of the population in the world follows this, we will have a fantastic world where there would hardly be any differences or problems for all of us. So each one of us, in our small way, we are leaders in our own self. So what I strive to do through this book is, number one, think of yourself as a leader in every action that you do, and keep people at the forefront before you take action. And believe me, just by doing this, the world will change for you, because the world is nothing but what you and I make it. And you and I are the people. Therefore, we the people. And that's what the book is all about, with very simple examples taken from day-to-day life. And believe me, you will find yourself in some situation or other, in those situations that I have taken up. And I hope it helps to make a better place to live for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, दिलीप जी, and once again many congratulations to you. और ladies and gentlemen, मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आपने दिलीप जी को नहीं सुना है, तो आप इनके फेसबुक लाइव सेशन अटेंड कीजिए या इनका वेबिनार अटेंड कीजिए.
This is the book.
यस, करेक्ट, सुपर. और आपको दिलीप जी से बात करते हुए ऐसा लगेगा कि हम घंटों इनको बैठ के सुन सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you, sir.
So ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite another wonderful lady from Delhi, and she has written her first book, and not only the book, she writes very good poems as well. 2 मर्तबा हमारे ऑनलाइन हिंदी कवि सम्मेलन में शिरकत कर चुकी हैं. शीतू नागपाल जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to say thanks to you. Dr. Gera very well supported me. I attended his webinar on 8th of May. From that day to this day, he very well supported me. I am very excited and I am very happy today. My book is launching. Now I will talk about my book. So my book is totally based on practical situations and circumstances. Okay, it deals with how one can go for success, and it helps one person how to take decision in the life. तो मैंने इसमें बहुत जिंदगी की जो बारीकियां होती हैं उनकी बातों को लिखा है. I have put so many quotations also, and language is very simple. I will be very helpful. I will be very thankful, in fact, if readers will read it and enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you so much, Shitu, and once again, many congratulations to you. And I hope that many more books you will write in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, अब मैं invite करना चाहूँगा हमारे बहुत ही खास दोस्त हैं. इस जर्नी में ही हमारी दोस्ती हो गई है. उमेश शाह जी से. उमेश जी ने किताब लिखी है कल्पना टॉकीज, जो कि शायद उन्हीं की अपनी जिंदगी से आसपास से प्रेरित है. एक ग्रुप ऑफ कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स की कहानी. उमेश जी, आपका बहुत स्वागत है.
नमस्ते सर. हैप्पी जन्माष्टमी एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल authors. Actually, I have a good reader, and I actually every month I read a different English or English. Whenever I read books, I thought that I should write, but in last 4 years I was trying to write, but I could not succeed. Then I got one mail from somewhere that there is a online session from the Vineet Gera on 25th of April, and that day I joined your team. और उसके बाद I think because that day it was a lockdown day, so I have ample time to write something. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं ये that every time that 21 days was exceeding, so मैंने first I thought that I will complete in 1 day. So in that case I chose one that title from my college only, क्योंकि आपने कहा था कि write first that preface. तो मैंने प्रीफेस लिखा और अपने बच्चियों को दिखाया, और मेरी बेटी ने कहा कि पापा जब ये बुक होगा तो आई विल सर्टेनली बाय दैट बुक. तो उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि सबको इस जर्नी में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. एंड द सेकेंड मोटिवेशन क्या था कि जो आपका मॉर्निंग सेशन था एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज राइटिंग 600 वर्ड 700 वर्ड, मुझे लगा कि क्यों ये जब लोग लिख सकते हैं ऑल न्यू, तो आई शुड ऑल्सो ट्राई. और सही में मेरी जर्नी चल पड़ी, और फाइनली आई that this book is totally based on the student life. In fact, the engineering, I have completed my engineering. तो ये पूरी इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड फ्रेंड्स के जो शैतानियाँ हैं एंड हॉस्टल लाइफ, it moving around that only that student life. मुझे लगता है कि जितने लोग यहाँ हैं और जो भी लोग हैं, दे जनरली सारे लोग कहीं ना कहीं स्टूडेंट लाइफ से गुजरे हैं. और जब भी मेरी इवन दैट ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन we started talking to our friends on Zoom. तो हमेशा कभी नई बातें नहीं होती, हमेशा वही बातें होती थी जो कॉलेज की थी। मुझे लगा कि ये सही में हिट करना चाहिए, लेट अस सी, बट I am getting a good response. That Vineet sir has launched yesterday, and today I saw that there was around 6 review. I could not see that कितने लोगों ने उसको लिया है। तो I think ये लाइट मूड में लिखा हुआ लाइट चीजों के बारे में है, तो कोई भी समय आप 2-4 घंटे निकालेंगे तो you will finish this book. So again I will wish and success to all the authors, and thank you to Vineet sir for his guidance and support. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच उमेश जी। और आपकी किताब को पढ़ते हुए ऐसा लगता है कि अपनी सी कहानी है, तो वो सबसे बड़ी खासियत है आपकी किताब की।
इसमें 70% मेरी कहानी है, समथिंग कुछ फिक्शन है, और बिकॉज माय वाइफ इज आल्सो फ्रॉम द सेम कॉलेज, तो मैंने गर्ल्स साइड का उनसे लेता रहा फीडबैक कि क्या सोचती है, कैसे होता है, क्या होता है वहाँ पे, बच्चे तंग करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं।
Great. So ladies and gentlemen, now moving ahead, and I would like to invite a very, very special person who is from Kolkata, working in Mumbai, and he has spent his career so many years into the sales. And what he feels is sales is all about attitude, and you can develop an attitude for sale. So प्रतीक जोशी जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। प्रतीक जोशी जी, अगर मेरी आवाज मिल रही है तो आप ऑनलाइन आए। शायद प्रतीक जी का कनेक्शन शायद डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ है। एनीवेज, प्रतीक जोशी जी ने सेल्स पे किताब लिखी है, और बहुत ही अच्छे थॉट प्रोसेस के हिसाब से, और केस स्टडीज को इंक्लूड करते हुए लिखा है। अगर अगले 2-4 मिनट में वो लाइव हो जाते हैं हमारे साथ, तो हम उनसे बात करेंगे। लहर अग्रवाल जी, क्या आप मेरी आवाज सुन पा रही हैं? लहर अग्रवाल जी, ओके, लहर अग्रवाल जी हमारी बात नहीं सुन पा रही हैं, लेकिन लहर अग्रवाल जी ने एक वीडियो भेजा है जो मैं आपसे शेयर करता हूं, छोटा सा वीडियो।
Namaste. Warm greetings to Coach Vineet Gera and all accomplished authors. This is Leher Agarwal, author to the book 12 Mahine Ki Vrat Ki Kahani. My journey to writing the book has been one of the immense learning, and thanks to the coach Vineet Gera for guiding me all the way. It is indeed a dream come true. The lockdown had initiated me write the book. Well, my book is a collection of text of the festivals, rituals and fast observed during the course of the Hindu calendar. This book covers various festivals and the methods of performing the fast and rituals. It is penned down in English to reach a larger audience, while the traditional books are always made in Hindi. After completing the book, I felt the need to start the YouTube channel to keep up with pace to the present online video sharing platform. Looking forward for happy reading and permanent subscribers to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Leher ji, and many congratulations to you. Leher ji का मैसेज पहले आ गया था कि कुछ पूजा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो शायद वो नहीं आ पाएंगी. So I requested her to send a recorded video. So thank you so much. और इनकी किताब भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद की जा रही है कम्युनिटी में, and the second reprint order is also done. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite one of my very, very special friend, and he has written his second book with me. The first was also a combination of 21 short stories, and this time it's a love story. Samardeep Singh. Do we have Samardeep Singh? Samardeep जी, मेरी आवाज अगर पहुंच रही है आप तक तो you can unmute. Okay. शायद समरदीप जी से संपर्क नहीं हो पा रहा है। डॉक्टर पूर्ति त्रिवेदी, अच्छा ऐसे लग रहा है ना मास्टर जी की तरह अटेंडेंस ले रहा हूं। शायद डॉक्टर पूर्ति त्रिवेदी भी नहीं है। डॉक्टर पूर्ति त्रिवेदी की किताब के बारे में बता दूं, इन्होंने किताब अपनी लिखनी शुरू की थी शायद अप्रैल के फर्स्ट वीक में, और इनकी जो किताब है इट टॉक्स ऑल अबाउट द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ कोरोना वायरस, राइट। सो थैंक यू सो मच। प्रतीक जोशी जी, आर यू देयर? प्रतीक जोशी जी शायद नहीं है। सो 3 लोग नहीं हैं, बट एनीवेज मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हमने 26 किताबें लॉन्च करी हैं। 26 बुक्स आर लॉन्च टुडे। Thank you so much and many congratulations to all of you. May I request everybody to please switch on the camera, and I want to take a screenshot. I request everybody to please switch on the camera, and we can unmute also, and we can give a huge round of applause to ourselves. Superb, superb. Many congratulations to all.
Congratulations to everybody.
जी, शीतू जी, निशांत जी, अजय शुक्ला जी, सत्यजीत sir, please switch on your camera. I want to take a screenshot of this historic moment. 26 books we have launched today.
Congratulations, Vinit ji.
Congratulations to everybody.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everybody.
Gratitude to Dr. Gera and congratulations to all wonderful authors out here. Lovely to be a part of this.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, everyone. Thank you, Vinit ji. Thank you so much for all your support and guidance.
Thanks a lot.
It had been a great journey. It had been a great journey with you. And it's not the end.
Yeah, it's not the end. It's the starting.
We have just started it.
Exactly.
निशांत जी, शीतू जी, अजय शुक्ला जी, सत्यजीत sir.
Nishant has gone to the doctors, so he's not here.
Okay. शीतू नागपाल जी, I know बहुत लोग बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे. Perhaps she is also not there, but Pavanjit ji आ गई है, so let me take one more screenshot. Great, superb. Done. Thank you so much for joining here, and many congratulations to all the authors, and I hope and I wish you all the very best, और दुआ करता हूँ कि आपकी किताबें, आपके विचार ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचें and they can take benefit of it. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Vinit ji. Congratulations to everybody.
All the best, everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you for putting together a community like this. Wonderful and great to learn from everybody.
Thank you.
Yes, and thank you for your happy smile always, to give us a positive energy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Salute to you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vinit ji.
Thank you.